Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Holiday Living Tree. And the box itself it comes in is pretty good, so if you just keep it in good condition, you should be able to use it in the future. And it's not really even too big of a box. But anyway, here we are. We have it home. We're going to go ahead and open it. We're just going to cut along the outsides of the box, and then we'll be able just to lift this tab up and go inside. And as I said, you can keep the box as long as you're careful with this. So the tree is going to come in 3 different pieces, and the tree also comes with a stand included. Also, this one happens to have a remote control with a few extra light bulbs. One thing to mention is the stand on my case was missing one of the bottom plungers, so if you might want to inspect that on the way out. The way to open the stand up is very simple. You're just going to expand it and just slide it here until it pops into place. It's going to have a little silver nub that pops out, and you would just push that button in to collapse it. So a very simple design here. Okay, the first piece you install will have this cover over it because it is pretty sharp, as you'll see. So just go ahead and remove that cover, and you're gonna set that directly down into the stand. And they've wrapped the tree with a little piece of string, so you'll just untie it, and then the whole tree will fold downward. So just go around in a circle, pushing it down. And what I really like about these trees are the plugs now. So basically, the shaft going down the middle of the tree has the plug built into it, so you're not looking for them later. So if you look at the next piece, for example, it has the 2 prongs in there, and so we're just going to slide it right on top of that one. So you're going to look for the one that's labeled number 2 for the second piece, and we're going to go ahead and slide it right into that. You will notice in the front there's an arrow, and there's a little silver screw as well, and that's where we're going to be lining this arrow up with here on this end. So just line it up, and those 2 ends will connect, and the plug will basically be plugging it in as it slides down. So you may need to rotate it slightly for it to line up, but it will click into its spot. Next, you'll find the actual power module here that's tied into the tree. So it's just a little bread tie that we'll undo here, and then we'll plug it in. And now we're just repeating that same step. We've taken off the top part of the tree, and we're just going to slide it right onto the middle here, and so it will plug itself in. Very convenient, no searching for extra plugs and everything here. So with that one plugged in, just go around, do the same thing, just gonna pull all the branches down, and soon you'll be ready to go. Of course, the box will also be enticing, as well as the little straps for the kittens, so watch out for that. But otherwise, the tree is ready to go. So you can see how easy that was, just to basically plug it in and turn it on. So thanks for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.